Okay, today I will show you how to cook the penne, okay? The penne pasta, okay? With the dried tomatoes you can buy in the supermarket. And this is how it looks like, okay? It is a dehydrated tomato, and then it is soaked, okay, or marinated in the oil, okay. And also we'll be needing Parmesan, okay, Parmesan cheese, okay, and I'm gonna grate it using this, and also some garlic, paprika powder, and we will add this when it's nearly cooked, okay? This is basilicum, fresh basilicum leaves you can buy in the supermarket, okay? First, I'm gonna grate the Parmesan cheese, okay? We'll be needing 3 pieces of garlic, and I've already smashed it here. The Parmesan cheese, I've already grated it. The basilicum, fresh basilicum, okay? I will only have to there you are. And now we will proceed to cooking. Now we will begin, okay? I have here olive oil I will use, okay? And also I will use the oil from the dehydrated tomato, okay? There you are. I'm gonna add the garlic, okay? I have here sliced chicken meat, okay? I will add to. Let it brown, okay? Make the chicken a little bit brown, okay? We're gonna add some paprika powder, okay? Oh. I will clean a little, okay? Now, I'm gonna add the cream, okay? There you are. We're gonna add the Parmesan cheese. And it's yummy, yummy. And we will add the dehydrated tomatoes, okay? There you are. Okay. Ay, very delicious. Gonna season it with the salt. Okay. There you go. Very nice. There you are. You can try this at home. Very, very yummy. White people, they like the pasta. Okay? Especially Italians. Okay. We will add the cooked penne. Okay? The pasta. This is the cooked penne. Okay? Or pasta. You boil the water with salt, okay? And you cook it. There you are. We will add. There you are. Wait. There. Hula. Hula. We will taste. Perfect. Perfect. Now, I will add the basilicum, pressed basilicum. Okay. This is already cooked, so I will turn off the fire, okay? Okay. I will just mix it. It's already cooked. You should not cook the fresh basilicum, otherwise you will ruin the taste of the herbal. Okay? There you are. And it's time to serve. And I will show you how to serve it. Family will surely love it. There you are. You see how nice? Very, very nice. You only have to mix. Mix. Then I will serve it. We will serve it. Okay? Hula. Hula. Hula la. Try this at home. Your family will surely love this. There you are. There. I will clean. There you are. And I will top it with the fresh basilicum leaves. So this is my pasta penne with dried tomatoes, chicken, and fresh basil leaves. Okay? So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you very much. God bless all. Smack like or bon appetit.